Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw a lion, drawing and coloring a cute lion. Let's start drawing. First, I draw the lion's cute eyes. Then I draw his little nose and his smiling mouth. I continue with his two ears. I draw his mane like this. Then I draw his body. Draw his four legs like this. Our lion is sitting. Finally, I draw his tail. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red. Then I use pink to color these parts. Next, I color his ears orange. I also color the lion's face orange. And his body. Now I'm going to use this brown marker to paint his mane. And his tail. Then I use this cream marker to paint this part. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.